everyone. This is the first lesson on the topic number series. Solving a question based on number series is all about trial and hit. There is no concept behind solving a question from this topic. So, what should we learn initially to get into this topic? Please pause the video, take down these 30 values. You have to memorize squares at least up to 30. You have to memorize cubes at least up to 20. And then prime numbers between 1 to 100. So you have to memorize these values in order to identify the numbers in less time. So solving a question based on number series is all about trial and hit, and we are going to discuss in which particular order those trials should take place. In addition to that, we can solve a question based on number series only when we put these two things together: logic and calculations. We have to identify the pattern, and then it's about our calculations. Observe the given numbers carefully first. You are given 5 questions here. The similarity among the given 5 questions is all the given numbers are close to one another in the given respective series. When you observe a gradual increase or a gradual decrease as shown on the screen, your first trial should be finding the difference between two successive numbers in a series. Try to solve the given 5 questions first, pause the video, and then get back to the video. I'll explain you each and every question in detail. Now, let us discuss the first one. What is the difference between 10 and 20? 10. 10 plus 10 gives you 20. 20 plus 20 gives you 40. 40 plus 30 gives you 70. 70 plus 40 gives you 110. Once you observe the numbers 10, 20, 30 and 40, it is clear that 50 should be added to 110, which results 160. So we are done with the first question. Now let us move on to the second one. 250 and 234. Difference between these two is 16. We know that 16 can be written as 4 square. 250 minus 16 is 234. 234 plus 25 is 259. 25 can be written as 5 square. 259 minus 36 is 223. 36 can be written as 6 square. 223 plus 49 gives you 272. 49, which is 7 square. So your answer will be 272 minus 64, which gives you 208. Now let us move on to the third question. 100 and 101. Difference between these two is 1. Let me write it as 1 cube. Difference between 101 and 109 is 8. Let us say plus 2 cube. 109 plus 3 cube. 136 plus 4 cube. So 200 plus 125 gives your answer, and it's 325. Now let us move on to the next question. Question number 4. 71 plus 2 is 73. 73 plus 3 is 76. 76 plus 5 is 81. 81 plus 7 is 88. We know that 2, 3, 5 and 7 are prime numbers. So 11 should be added here, which gives you 99. Now question number 5. 800 and 788. Difference between these two is 12. As the value being reduced, let us say minus 12. 800 minus 12 is 788. 788 minus 24 is 764. 764 minus 48 is 716. 716 minus 96 is 620. Let us understand the numbers 12, 24, 48, 96. 12 2 times 24. 24 2 times 48. 48 2 times 96. So 96 2 times 192. So your answer will be 620 minus 192, which gives you 428. In the same way, you will be given 5 questions in each lesson, and there are 5 lessons in total. I wanted to go through each and every lesson carefully And here are some suggestions for you. We shall meet in the next lesson. Thank you.